Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to compare two amazing content creator kits that are perfect for capturing stunning visuals. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Alright, let's get started. Both products come with advanced image sensors that ensure exceptional image quality. The Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit features a compact 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, while the Sony Alpha 6700 boasts a powerful 26.0 MP APS-C format Exmor-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor. Both sensors provide excellent low-light performance and deliver sharp and vibrant photos. When it comes to video recording, both cameras offer impressive features. The Canon EOS R50 supports 4K uncropped movie recording at up to 30 FPS oversampled from 6K, and Full HD high frame rate movie at up to 120 FPS. It also has a close-up demo mode that quickly switches focus when a product is brought close to the camera. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 supports 4K 60p 6K oversampled 4:2 to 10-bit recording with long GOP or all-intra formats, along with high frame rate 4K 120p recording. Both cameras allow you to capture cinematic footage with outstanding clarity. In terms of autofocus capabilities, both cameras excel. The Canon EOS R50 features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with 651 AF zones and auto-subject detection using deep learning technology. It covers up to 100% by 100% area, allowing for precise and reliable autofocus tracking of people, animals, and vehicles. Similarly, the Sony Alpha 6700 incorporates a dedicated eye processor and real-time recognition for accurate subject tracking, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or shooting portraits, both cameras offer top-notch autofocus performance. For those who need to capture fast-moving subjects, both cameras offer impressive continuous shooting capabilities. The Canon EOS R50 can shoot at 12 FPS with electronic first curtain and 15 FPS with electronic shutter, allowing you to freeze any moment with ease. Similarly, the Sony Alpha 6700 ensures you never miss a shot with its high-speed continuous shooting capabilities. Both cameras provide the speed and precision required for capturing action-packed moments. Now let's talk about the price. The Canon EOS R50 Content Creator Kit is priced at $999, making it an excellent option for content creators on a budget. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 comes at a slightly higher price point of $1,399. However, keep in mind that both cameras offer exceptional features and value for their respective price tags. And that wraps up our comparison between these two incredible content creator kits. Both the Canon EOS R50 and the Sony Alpha 6700 have their own strengths and are capable of delivering stunning results. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and specific needs. Make sure to let us know in the comments which camera you prefer or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.